Jaiga is here, but not only Jaiga is here, I said we going through, you know what we do on this show, and we like to start things off in proper carnival tobacco mode with a drink. And we start to drink away this little period, and this little period is pressure in a Jaiga.
Some sips.
So we must have
adult
some sips. So when I need sips, I call Tyrone.
Joe, how things, brother? Good?
So this cocktail tabanca section
Right.
is brought to you because the folks at Absolut. So we're doing absolutely beautiful cocktails
Nice.
Yes.
on Cup of Joe, and Tyrone is the man starting things off. Tyrone, what do you reverse today?
Jaiga, welcome to the show, brother.
Yeah, man.
Welcome back, I should say.
Yeah.
Good to see you. So, in essence of the carnival, whatever that we do have for the carnival, we know how it is. Right.
Don't impress me for now.
Of course. But I'm gonna actually do a cocktail called Free Again.
Yeah,
and it's
man.
actually gonna have the
Lift the spirit.
characteristics and all the flavors of Trinidad and Tobago.
Nice.
So I'm gonna be using Absolut, and this is actually the limited edition bottle that we have for the carnival season. Every year they do something for the carnival.
Please,
And
Nice.
yeah, have a look.
Nice.
sexy bottle.
Yeah,
Fancy,
sexy
smancy,
bottle.
boy. Yeah, fancy.
and a lively,
smancy.
get the ripples on it. I love it.
Nice.
So I'm gonna be using Absolut. It's a swizzle type of cocktail, meaning we actually swizzle it. That's the technique, in mixology, and guava, coconut, and some banana. Yeah.
Yes.
You get some nice flavors, but the Absolut is very versatile in this cocktail where, when you go to some of the parties and you're sipping and you're like, this tasting real good, but it tastes like juice. You wonder if it have alcohol in it. That's the quality of the Absolut. It's just there,
Smooth.
it's neutral, it's smooth, it's
Nice.
crisp, right? So let's go. So first actually, I'm gonna use fresh guava into this cocktail.
Will you get guava now? Guava in season?
I have a tree in the yard, actually, to be
Wow.
honest. Yeah, so I'm using 2 pieces each per cocktail, right into the glass. And behind that, I'm using some coconut cream. So guava with the coconut behind it.
Real Caribbean flavors.
Coconut cream is a nice flavor, and you can actually make it on your own. You just take some coconut milk and you reduce it.
Ty actually has his own show now where he's creating a trick for how to do all these cocktails.
Oh, wow.
It's on Cup of Joe Prime now. We launched that show for Christmas
Nice.
called Bar Buddies. So him and some of his buddies
Oh,
create
that's
some
right.
fantastic cocktails.
That's right.
So yeah, you have your own show now?
Yeah,
I'd
It's only right.
book him to come on Cup of Joe now.
We're trying to promote the thing, right?
Yeah.
Just like how you're pushing the soca in the art form.
Yeah, trying to promote mixology.
Mixology is
Yeah, man.
art, and we're pushing the art form.
Yeah.
So this actually is banana in some brandy. So we're going in for the Absolut. This is the fun part and favorite part.
How long will it take you to learn to pour like that?
Yeah.
Without spilling? I don't know. Because if I try to do that now, all it's going to get clot in it.
A few. Yeah.
All now see me going, cut and wiping on the
Clot and next drink we gotta make it.
Start off. I don't know if they ask that on your show. But I just want to know how you just get it tilt now.
We real, but we can't do that.
It has different pours, So this is one of the pours I'm accustomed to.
Right.
So the backhand pour, you take it and you pour it like that. But you train, whoever you like, works for you.
When I buy a bottle of Absolut, I don't want to wait, so I just pour like this.
I know I put it.
Yeah, you play
Normally we know to put the glass and put the head in the glass. You want them follow. You see that video there? That's how I'm messing it.
So we actually put the Absolut in the drink, right? So what I'm gonna do now is model everything,
Right.
and we're gonna combine all those flavors together, right? Just before I put the ice and we swizzle it, this is the way of combining all the flavor. What
So you
we're
call that
gonna have on
modeling.
here?
That's the correct too.
Yeah. So no, actually we're modeling the guava. So the juices and
Right.
the flavors of the guava would incorporate with the
Oh, you
Absolut
never
will pull
told
out
to
that.
learn?
Yeah.
But I will see where they go and mash up everything and
Yeah.
you see that's it.
Modeling.
Yeah.
So after we model, I'm gonna actually add the ice now.
Can't use just normal ice cubes here.
If we're using like a swizzle,
Right.
in terms of, as I say, the technique, you want to have the swizzle stick go through the cocktail and mix all the ingredients, and you want to have it dilute.
So the idea is simple coffee that you can try and make at home, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
We home.
You have another house line.
Yes, you can do it at home for sure.
Yeah.
So at this point, I'm actually gonna take my swizzle stick and swizzle. Gonna add some bitters to this, and this is like a citrus bitters. Just add 2 dashes each. And we go back up again with the ice. Just to cap off the drink. So what I want to do is create a nice little crown to the top of the drink. And we're gonna garnish this cocktail with some nice fresh slices of guava. Just put one here, one here.
Give me a pink now. Real men drink with pink.
Real men drink pink, right?
Real men drink with pink.
I like how you go with
Real
pink.
men drink with pink. I ain't free to drink with the pink.
It's carnival, right,
Right.
Joe?
Ooh, you give up.
This is
But the
for
pink
you.
and the blue, the pink and the blue.
It look good, it look good,
It have a
right?
vibe.
And we're going with the green here. So this is for you, brother. We call this one.
Color.
Yeah, we call this one free
This
again.
is actually, and I don't know if you need that, but this is the cover of the album cover.
Oh,
That's
really?
the album color.
The single cover is yellow.
You get through them.
So you do
You
your
get
homework.
through them. You get through them.
Cheers.
Cheers, man.
Cheers.
Yeah.
The freeness again, you know.
Freeness
The
again.
freeness again.
Night have a vibe, boy.
The
That's
guava comes through so nicely.
Tyrone, I don't want you to make no drinks of my significant other.
Times for the carnival fair, they used to say your girlfriend favorite bartender, and I say like, nah, brother, don't.
You don't want
don't
to.
get- I don't want
You don't want
that.
to.
Nice trouble. Nice trouble.
We want to thank the folks at Absolut for making this one possible. Carnival cocktails, Tabanca cocktails. Yeah, because taste the carnival thing, right? So carnival Tabanca cocktails in effect. But whole time we're drinking with Absolut on Cup of Joe. This carnival Tabanca. Jaiga, we coming back, you know.
Yeah, man.
Sip up, sip up.
Real good boy.
Carnival Tabanca Cocktails is brought to you by Absolut. It's in our spirit.